Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new account to the Accountit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the new account button down below, which is the second option. Then add the title. Then type in your notes. As you scroll down, you can select the budget, such as daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly, and then type in the amount. Then as you go back, you can select the color of it and also the icon that you would like to use. Here are all of the options. After all these steps are done, tap on the Done button in the upper right corner of the screen to save your new account. As you scroll down here, you can check it out in the account section. As you tap on it, you are free to edit it by tapping on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen and to add new transactions to it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.